All right, so we are looking for the angles. Just the angle that they ask for. We could find the other one if we wanted to, but we're not going to. So we have this angle. Let's call it X. What do we need to do to find this angle? Do you remember? What have we been doing a lot of? Have we been labeling the sides? Okay, so let's label the sides first. So we have the one opposite of this angle. We're using the angle we're looking for. This one's opposite of that angle. And this one would be adjacent. So then I need to know the trig function that relates the opposite side and the adjacent side to the angle. So what I'm going to write at the top.
We are ready for seniors with the last name A through G at this point. So seniors with the last name A through G, returning their Chromebooks at 11.
So that's if you're returning your Chromebook. If you've talked to your teacher and you need to keep your Chromebook, that's okay too. So if you know you need to keep it. But if you are ready to turn yours in, you can take it. Up to you. Okay, so we have, I like this. This helps me remember. We have so, ka, toa. Perfect. And we have sine of the angle is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. The cosine of the angle is equal to the adjacent over hypotenuse. And the tangent of the angle is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. So now that helps me match. I have the opposite side and the adjacent side. That helps me match. I'm using the tangent of the angle. So tangent of the angle equals the opposite side, which is 23, over the adjacent side, which is 30. Then what do we do now? We need to get rid of tangent. How do we do that? Do you remember? So we talked about last time we have this inverse function. So we have, to get rid of tangent, we do the opposite of tangent, which is inverse tangent. And if we do the opposite of tangent on this side, then we need to do the opposite of tangent on this side. So tangent inverse cancels tangent. And then we have our angle is tangent inverse of 23 over 30. So here we go. So second tangent, that gives us tangent inverse. And then we just plug this in. 23 divided by 30, end parenthesis. Then we get 37. And like last time, we're going to round to the nearest degree. It says nearest degree up here. So we're going to look at the first decimal place. It's a 4. That's less than 5. So we're going to round down to just 37 degrees. Okay, does this sound familiar? We did this last time. Doing okay? All right, let's do one more. Do you guys want to pick one more that we do? They look like they're pretty the same. Any other ones? Should we do the last one just for fun? Let's flip over and do the very last one. So the last one on here is 30. So we have this angle. What sides do we have? Good, we have our opposite side, so the opposite of this angle. And we have the adjacent. So that's tangent again. So tangent of our angle, I'm going to call it x, equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. And then all we have to do is get rid of tangent. To get rid of tangent, because that's all, then we'll have x by itself. To get rid of tangent, we do inverse tangent, on this side. Tangent cancels with inverse tangent. Then we have our angle equals whatever that is. Tangent. Oops. The lights glare really bad. Sorry. Second tangent, that gives me tangent inverse of 11 divided by 37. That gives me 16.55. We're going to round up. So this will be 17 degrees. Okay, do you guys think you can do those from there? Okay. We have 55 minutes. So you have 28 left. I know you can get this done in our class period. If you have other things to work on for this class or other classes, you can do that. And then submit this on Canvas if you can. If you don't have your Chromebook because you've turned it in, I will accept this on paper. Okay. All right.